सो फ्रेंड्स, फाइनली हमने DJI Osmo Filter कॉम्बो परचेज कर लिया है और आज हम कर रहे हैं उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग। तो आइए आपको दिखाते हैं ये मिनी पॉकेट का गिम्बल प्लस अ वीडियो रिकॉर्डर प्लस अ कैमरा विच कैप्चर्स योर फोटोज कैसा लगता है। तो आप ये जो देख रहे हो ये एक छोटा सा, एकदम मेरे एक हाथ जितना छोटा, बस ये इतना छोटा सा एक गिम्बल है जो कि वीडियो ट्रैक करेगा, आपके फोटोज लेगा एंड आपको ब्लॉगिंग में पूरी तरह से मदद करेगा। तो अब इसके साथ मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि क्या क्या एक्सेसरीज आई है और इसे यूज कैसे करते हैं। So this was the box which has like all the accessories along with the gimbal. Here you can get a wireless Bluetooth microphone which we will be plugging it. So इसको plug करने के लिए all you have to do is just put this here and yep, this becomes your wireless mic जो आप अपने DJI के साथ यूज करोगे. So that's one thing. Then you get a tripod. ये एक tripod है. You get this tripod along, so you can just fit it here. By the way, this is the do it all handle. मैंने already attach कर लिया है इसे. So आप इसको आराम से एक tripod के जैसे भी यूज कर सकते हो. Let me show you that. And here you go. So this becomes a tripod. So now all you need to do is tap here this side which has the power button. So just tap it here and see this started moving, isn't it? And you can see here is the display screen where you can see what is happening. Now this is actually pointing me. Okay, that's why now let me point it towards you. So and there you go. Now what's happening is this is pointing towards you, and if you see this right here, now you can see me as well here. So this is pointing me here, and now all you need to do is there are many different modes here like follow mode, tilt mode, first person view mode. All you need to do is just go around and grab. Well, this DJI setup also comes with a protective case. This protective case will help you keep your DJI safe and secure. So all you need to do is grab this one, grab your pocket, and that's all. So everything will be in one case, and that's how you'll protect your mini DJI Pocket. Now let me show you another thing. So in this protective case, actually you can keep your wide lens angle, the two USB and the lightning points that we got, everything we can keep in this case. So this is my wide lens angle. So all you need to do is just place it here, and that's all. You can see here the wide lens camera. I have put it here, wide lens, and then another port which is this USB port one. So grabbing it here, the lightning one for the iPhones, placing it here. So everything is now placed here. Now you can just, okay, another what we should do is also this control stick. I generally prefer keeping this control stick all the time here. That's all. So this is now ready. Whenever I want, I can just, whenever I want now, I can just take this off and start shooting and then keep it back here. Now what other things are there is it has a do it all case. So this part, the lowermost part that I have already attached. So in this case you have 4 speakers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have a charging point here. Then this you can use to mount your DJI in the form of a tripod. You can use this here. Now this red one, this is the start recording button. This is used for different kinds of modes and all. This is like either this serves 2 purposes actually. Either you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can move left, right, up and down, and then you have this. So now let's get started to show you how this mini gimbal works and how this it acts as a mini robot actually. Let me show you that. वो एक wide angle camera मिलेगा which is like a magnetic, and in this gimbal you have to just attach to it, and done. So this becomes a wide lens. That's the thing. Another, you'll get two pins like this. This one is the C type and this one is the lightning one for your iPhones. So where you have to insert this is this part. So just try to open this. एक बार जब आप इसे निकाल लोगे, so your DJI would look something like this, okay? And what you have to do is just grab this one. I'm taking the lightning one for using it with my iPhone, and what you need is to insert it. Now if you see this part, you can attach this with your iPhone, and you can take the images and all the videos that you have in your DJI. All the things would be transferred into your iPhone. So until unless you install the DJI Mimo app, you will not be able to use this DJI Pocket. Now while installing, I would recommend you to actually scan this QR code that you get in this box and use this one only. If you try to use the one that was there in the Android Play Store or iPhone Play Store, it becomes very difficult and settings करने में कुछ problems आती है. So I wasted around 2 hours of mine struggling with the settings and then talking with the customer care and stuff like that. So for you, just scan this app, scan this barcode which is here, and install the DJI Mimo app for your DJI to work flawlessly and seamlessly. Now let's start, and I am gonna, okay, one more stuff that we have is this one, this mini stick. So this is called the control stick. Using this control stick, you can put this, ये जो आपको बटन दिख रहा है, इससे ये आपका जो गिम्बल है, ये आप it would move up, down, left, right and stuff like that. So it is a control stick with which you can control your DJI.
So friends, now I am shooting using this gimbal, the DJI Pocket, and the face tracker is on. So wherever I go, actually this gimbal follows me. So that's really a cool feature of this. I am actually learning and loving it. So I think this is super handy to use and looks amazing. What do you think, by the way? This gimbal is actually tracking me. This is like the front view. If I hit this button thrice, what will happen is it will tilt that side, and there you can see we are shooting this on terrace with an amazing weather, and it feels really great. So this is all about the vlog on using DJI Pocket 2, which is a creator's combo, and having fun with it. So if you have liked the content, don't forget to hit that bell icon, like the channel and subscribe, share with your friends, because we are gonna go to a complete new place where we are gonna have a lot of fun. So I'll see you in the next video, and more I start using this gimbal, I'll start to have more and more feel of it. So right now even I am learning more and more about it, and the more I learn, the more interested I am in using this. So see you in the next video, and अगर कोई भी questions हो आपके on how to use this DJI, what are the setup challenges that you are facing, anything, then let me know and I'll be happy to answer your queries. तब तक के लिए bye bye, see you in the next vlog.